is Sajibu, Cheiraoba.
Yes.
I
So
love uti. Uti is my favorite.
favorite.
Yeah. I love eating Manipuri food.
Yeah.
I love my.
Chak-khum ini yung material sa mo. Ama ni ahum mari mga taruk taret nipan mapan tara drama to trying to round something round the drama is sure. Them sila 400 ya. Masigi yung mana masigi dang ni siya ko chak-khum niya. Good afternoon, everyone. So here with me is Linda ma'am, the famous Linda Numai from our beloved Northeast India, and she loves Manipuri dish, isn't it, ma'am?
Yeah. And especially today is Sajibu, Cheiraoba.
Yes,
And incidentally, our brother Amba is, spreading out this delicacy.
yes,
So
entire around
I'm a
2014
non,
age.
I'm a non-veg one, but the person, but this all veg item.
Yes,
So this is delicious. I'm enjoying today having a veg dish.
for a for a change.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying a lot.
So
Yeah.
you started what uti?
Uti.
So
I love uti. Uti is my favorite.
favorite
Yeah.
uti with bora, uti with singju,
Yeah.
whatnot. See, Romba is there,
Uh,
Yongchak is there. Oh, I think this is pakora. Yeah, this is pakora. I think yes. This
Bora. Pa.
pakora है.
Pakore.
हाँ. मरोई थोंग मतो मैम.
However,
So I keep seeing your post, and majority of your food update so far has been from the Manipur side. So what's this? What do you say? The love, the hidden love of Manipuri food.
I love eating Manipuri food.
Yeah.
I love my own Naga dish also.
Yes.
Side by side, I love Manipuri dish. So whenever I go out, I try to search for Manipuri dish
Yes.
restaurant and I try to have.
So next time also you should join me. I'll call you one day. We'll go for this hunting. We'll hop. Correct.
I will love that.
Yes.
Looking forward.
So today it was totally accidental, right? And I think
I'm enjoying.
this is high. I think this is high. No? Your phone.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. So that
This
is
is a
mixed veg.
brinjal.
Yes, yes. So she's having yummy, yummy food.
This
So
is Ironba.
Iromba, one of your favorite.
I love. Wait,
How
and Chak-khum.
Oh. Yongchak is there. See. So after this entire thing is completed, you should give me a feedback. Right?
Huh?
You should give a feedback.
How do I give a feedback?
This twice. You should rate. This is first,
Because-
second, third.
No, I mean, I don't know all the name of the items also. Nah,
You can just point
enjoying.
out this is good, this is bad. You can say.
I'm enjoying all the items. That's all. Otherwise, I don't know the name of the dishes.
But
no?
you just have to point. I will tell people.
Okay.
You can just point. This is good. This is okay. This is best. Likewise. What did you say, ma'am, just now? After seeing your
Tharoy
neighbors.
chaninge, tharoy chaninge.
Tharoy.
Yeah, I love tharoy. Tharoy. I love snail more than fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
So they are family, na? Tharoy.
Yeah.
They are from same pond or river. So where did you get this idea that Tharoy is here?
I
From the
know.
neighbor?
That's why
From the
I used to come here to eat tharoy only.
Okay. But now I'm telling you, just saw the neighbors.
I thought they don't have today, nah. So I didn't. But when
Okay.
they are eating,
But
I feel like
the usual sound came. Yeah. Can we like Tharoy like comment?
tharoy
Can you just show
lai.
it? Yeah, this is
See?
Tharoy, snails. I think the gravy is also great, right?
Because we have
come
to first. We have to first
Ah,
at the back,
okay.
then
From
in
the
the front. Mm-mm. Oh, thank you. Without first trying at the bag, we can't eat. Ah!
Very nice. Tharoi. Name की favorite नहीं है. Fish तकी सीने.
Mm.
Umoi ramam.
Hmm?
Or not? Is it good or not? You love
Yes,
it.
I love it.
Yeah. Uti side by
The
side, then tharoi,
yeah, what
iromba,
all the
yongchak,
yeah.
whatnot. Good Sunday.
Ah,
Tharoi haura.
what?
So, what do you want to say about today's special lunch?
Oof. Too much.
Too much.
Now my tummy is like
So, you can rate which was your favorite amongst this. You can just point out top five, top three. Say.
top three.
Yes, I have
My
not said top.
favorite is of tharoi is tharoi. My
Okay.
favorite uti,
Uti,
and then the ironba.
iromba,
Yeah, ironba, and then I don't know this name.
maroi,
Oh,
maroi
oh.
nakabi. So these are the top three,
Aha,
four. You
yes,
can say.
yes.
Apart from tharoi, tharoi is your favorite.
Yeah,
Yes.
tharoi is my favorite.
So, so next time, when can we plan for a joint lunch? I'll take you somewhere, and you should not say no, but you should tell me when are you free.
All right, I will love to.
Yeah, you can message me, but hope it will not disappoint you.
Okay.
Yes. So you think over it, ma'am. Hope you
Good
keep,
to good to explore. I want to test new dishes
hmm.
when and especially of our Northeast people.
And we should promote
Yeah.
because lots of people are trying to explore our food, but they are not knowing where to go. So there is a
Actually,
limited.
I love to have food, home food only.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
if I have food outside,
Hmm.
I have to look only for Northeast
Correct, correct,
restaurant because
correct.
I'm not used to eating other
Yes, yes,
kind of food.
correct.
Doesn't suit me. The
Yes.
mainland Indian food is this masala and all. It doesn't suit me.
Yeah, yeah.
So the soon as I will have food poisoning or something like that.
Okay.
Body doesn't
Accept.
accept it.
Yes.
So I have to only look for Northeast food which I enjoy and
Natural, our
yeah.
original ingredients. What do you say? Original vegetables you like,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
just,
Yes.
just when I say the original, like you like the yongchak,
Yeah.
right? You like the maroi thing,
I love to have piruk yeah
peruk
it's
kangsu.
not here and then
I think peruk
have to
kangsu is
go.
available in Eat Farm today.
Acha.
There is another place, no? Eat Farm, it is
Yeah.
offered.
And, uh-huh.
Yeah, it is there.
So
So I think you have enjoyed this particular Sajibu Cheiraoba.
made my day.
Made your day.
I have enjoyed it. Now I'm so full.
Hmm. So next time, preferably a weekend, you can just message me, ma'am. You plan for it. I'll take you somewhere. You'll love it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Looking forward to it.
yeah,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.